Okay, welcome back to Silverpunk. In today's video I'm going to be doing some metal casting, turning a 3D print into a solid silver Mortal Kombat legend. Also coming up later I'll do a cool little bonus pour. So let's get straight into it. This is the Mortal Kombat character Mileena. Look at that, look at the grill on her. Look at that bad boy. Well, bad girl I should say. Right, as always, we've got to get on with the sand casting. So there it is, and I'm pushing the boundaries there. Look how tight that is. But we'll get it in. We'll have a good go. So first of all, got to get some powder on her. There you go. And look at that for a 3D print. I'm so excited. I've actually been in contact with an actual 3D designer, a 3D artist really, rather than the designer artist, whatever you want to call them, and he's agreed that I can do some of his designs. So it's just absolutely wicked. He's got some brilliant things. I'll pop a link down in the description. So yeah, this is the first one I'm trying. Bit of a gaming theme now, retro and onward gaming theme. So here we go then, getting the sand on, and we'll crack on and do the sand cast. Now as you can see here, I'm really pushing my fingers in, I'm really digging in deep. You've got to get in deep to get to the good stuff. Pushing it down and, you know, pushing all the sand in around the model. Right guys, just before we crack on with the pour, I have had a few people asking me in the comments and privately as well, DMing me, whether I actually sell any of my pours, and I actually do. You'll see my website here, so you just scrolling through, that's a nice little school bar I've got on. I do sell them, so if you are interested, just check out the website, www.silverpunk.org. Well worth a look if you're interested. Now, let's get on to the serious stuff, the pour.
What is going on, stackers? Small Stack Bullion back at you again with another video, and today we'll be talking not much about bullion but about coins and money systems, right? So we will be talking about how pre-decimal currency worked. Now, pre-decimal currency, to anybody who doesn't know, was the money used in the United Kingdom and other British Empire countries up until about 1970 or 1971, I believe, in some other places. And instead of being base 10, which like it is now, everything's done in tens, it was base 12, I believe, so everything was done in 12, so there was 12p into 1 shilling.
Here we are with my first ever YouTube stackers video. This isn't going to be any Harrods, this is going to be pure Primark stacking. And there's a couple of people to thank for me doing this, or should I say blame. The first one, got to be the Stack Collector. Brilliant guy, lots of encouragement, but also pressure on his last stack chat when probably about 60 people were still listening, so it was almost like, yeah, got to do it now. Thanks, TSA. But I do really want to thank him for, if nothing else, producing my channel round. Not many people have had a channel round before even doing a video, but he helped me produce the one in the background. I only originally asked him a simple question of, what software do you use? I want to put together a channel around, you know, what can you recommend? As I said, Sai, the same man, also helped set up Stacker Social. You know, these people are definitely at the forefront of the community. A couple of back and forths, a couple of photos here and there. They then started working on a 3D mock-up picture of how it might look. There was obviously the issue that a photo is just quite flat, so it was a case of trying to build it up. So they did actually come to something eventually.
Oh, here we go then. Here's the bonus pour, as promised. And this is, I bet you've already guessed it, as you can see here, a close-in portrait. So here we go. Here's the pour. Oh yeah, look at that. Bit flopped over, but oh yeah. In the slow motion, you'll see it spray out. Here he comes. Have to pick them bits up in a bit. Look at the colours. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that bad boy. You having that? Now if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out this one up here. Now this is called the gaming icon, Legend of Punk.